sorry for my language, but that didn't vibrate right with me.
He's a 98.
I'm recording all these noises and I'm sending them straight to the landlord.
That shit just sound right.
I'm recording all these noises. I'm sending them straight to the landlord and the motherfucking FBI.
That did not sound right.
The ball is rolling.
That did not sit right with me.
Cause these bitches got me fucked up for real. They really do.
They're
On some other drugs.
Weird ass.
Well, it always happens with that.
Danielle, do you know how I turn on my
This is why I don't like it.
flash for this video?